Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our June double flat door behind me today. Okay, so this is our June double flat door. This is a 72 by 96, so it's 72 inches from outside to outside measurements, 96 inches from all the way to the top to all the way to the bottom of the threshold. This door comes in, this is an oil rub bronze door. This door comes in single, it comes in double, it comes in flat, arched, all the different shapes that you like in single and double. You can also make all of our doors, by the way. You can also make a single door with side light on one side or side light on both sides, or even a double door with two side lights. Super cool door. Typically we see this stuff in wine countries or wineries, or in the single door we see this a lot. Almost 99% of the time we see it on a wine cellar door inside a house. And a lot of people are actually converting little closets that they have inside a house, putting a door, making it into a little wine cellar. Really cool feature. Really cool. But this is definitely one of the skinniest iron doors that we have with the metals that we used. I'm not gonna tell you guys what size metals we use, but know that it's very skinny. The only reason I'm not saying it is because a lot of our competitors watch our YouTube channels and will end up duplicating this. So we'd like to keep at least a little bit of it in-house and not to get copied. It'll get copied because they'll probably end up purchasing the door and doing it, but we'll just try to prolong that whatever that's gonna happen. But it's got some leaves, it's got some grapes. This is all solid metal. It's not tubes. It's all solid metal that ended up bending to shape. No kick plate. It goes all the way down. You get a lot of light in. You get to see what's inside of it. This is low E glass. We definitely have these doors with different kinds of glass also. And you can have it in different colors also that we carry. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back side of this. Okay, so we're on the back side of the June flat door. Show you guys how the glass opens. Twist, unflick the knobs. Glass opens up. This makes it very easy to clean the scroll work and clean the glass, because imagine how hard it'll be to clean this if the glass didn't open. Again, optional on all of our doors. If you like to do a screen between the glass and the scroll work, that's definitely an option. You can do that if you want to use it to vent the house. And the other feature is on a custom order, you can add a kick plate if you like. And know that all of our doors have roller catches, okay? And because some of these doors get so heavy, like this one's a very heavy door, because of all the solid pickets, we put these roller catches on top and bottom so you can adjust it. It saves the lock over time. From the door, let's say on a windy area, if it's got to flop around all day, that lock plates, because they're so soft, made for wooden doors, will go bad after a while. So we put those in, and it's night and day on locks. We've never had a lock complaint ever since we did that. Yeah, awesome door. Know that there's different glass options, different colors, and it comes in different sizes, okay? Hi everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on the June flat door today. If you guys need any more info, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info at pinky's, P-I-N-K-Y-S, irondoors.com. Or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.